सम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते।
chief guest of the day, Shri CPS Chauhan sir, Unit Head, UTCL, our esteemed guest of honor, Madam Sneha Chauhan, distinguished functional heads of UTCL, accompanied by the gracious spouse, esteemed parents, committed teachers, and my beloved students. A very good evening to each one of you. It is with immense joy and deep gratitude that I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you all in this momentous occasion. The annual award ceremony of Aditya Birla Public School, Nathdwara, a day when we honor excellence, applaud dedication, and celebrate the indomitable spirit of achievements. As we gather here, we recognize the outstanding accomplishments of our students from classes 3 to 12. My heart swells with pride. Today is not merely a prize distribution. It is a testimony of the hard work, perseverance, and collaborative efforts of our students, mentors, and ever-supporting parents. Last academic year has been particularly rewarding. We have witnessed a commendable surge in academic performance across all levels. And while every milestone matters, it is with great pride that I announce the crowning achievement of this year, the Chairman's Award. Master Himanshu Chaudhary of Class 12 Commerce, a symbol of hard work, focus, and consistency, will be receiving a cash award of Rs 1 lakh from the chairman this year. We also take pride in acknowledging the success of over 96 students from primary, middle, and senior sections for their sustained academic excellence. Here is a brief overview. We have 3 categories of awards here: the scholar, the stalwart, and the wizard. Those students who get 75% and above are awarded with the badge, scholar badge. Those students overall 90% in all the subjects of last year will be getting stalwart award, and the wizard 95% and above. So the statistics are like this. Last year we had 49 students as a scholar. This year it has increased to 65. Stalwart 90% and above in all the subjects. Last year we had 5. This year it has increased to 7. Wizard, unfortunately last year there were no, but this year 2 students have made their presence felt as 95% and above. So awards do motivate our children, and it is a daily routine. It should be their effort should always be acknowledged. What makes these achievements even more commendable is that many of these awardees have also excelled in various co-curricular activities, be it sports, music, or debate or exhibitions, truly embodying our vision of holistic education. Promoting regularity and discipline. To instill the values of consistency and responsibility, we continue with our 100% attendance awards, and we are delighted to note a significant increase in number. Last year there were 5 students who were 100% attendance, 23-24, and the last 24-25 it has a quantum jump to 16 students, and the credit goes to the parents sending the students all the weather conditions and making their presence and attendance on all the working days. So 16 students this year have been awarded. ERP implementation. We have successfully implemented an enterprise resource planning system to streamline academic, administrative, and communication process. This digital integration enhances transparency, efficiency, and accountability, thereby aligning us with the best practices of modern educational institutions. Diagnostic remediation and IEP. We have institutionalized a robust framework for diagnostic assessments, followed by remedial teachings and individual education plans to cater to diverse learning needs. Each student's portfolio now reflects not just their academic progress, but also their personality, creativity, and co-curricular strength. Career counseling for classes 9 to 12. Understanding the importance of informed choices, ABG has launched a structured career counseling program for students of classes 9 to 12. Regular sessions, aptitude tests, and interactions with experts are helping students make clearer and more confident decisions about their future paths. Experiential curriculum for classes nursery to 2. In keeping with New Education Policy 2020 and ABG vision of foundational excellence, we have rolled an experiential learning curriculum for classes nursery to 2, making learning joyful, inquiry-based, and rooted in real-life experiences. Our youngest learners are now engaged in concept-driven, hands-on activities that spark curiosity and build strong foundational skills. Implementation of ABG SOPs. We are proud to announce that successful implementation of ABG SOPs, standard operating procedures, for all school activities, including laboratories, libraries, and co-scholastic engagements, ensuring safety, consistency, and excellence in all aspects of school functioning. Teachers training and capacity building. Our teachers are the soul of this institution. This year, our educators participated in capacity building program workshops and ABG-led training to stay aligned with the latest pedagogical strategies, assessment reforms, and the 21st century skills. Their continuous learning ensures that every child receives the best academic guidance and moral mentorship. Inter-school ABG competitions. Our students actively participate in various inter-school ABG competitions where they compete with fellow ABG schools across India. These competitions in the field of art, science, music, technology, public speaking, and sports have provided a dynamic platform to our students to showcase their talents, build confidence, and grow through healthy competition. New initiatives in 24-25. Voracious Reader Award. To cultivate a love of reading, the school introduced the Voracious Reader Awards. Students were shortlisted based on the number of books read during the academic year, followed by an insightful interview round conducted by a panel of teachers. The winners are being felicitated today for their literary passion and commitment. Special awards classes 1 to 5. To instill good habits and values from the young age, we have initiated unique recognition program for our youngest learners. The following categories have been introduced: well-dressed boy, well-dressed girl, well-mannered boy, well-mannered girl, and the most social child of the class. As we find these days the social skills that our children are lacking, we have introduced these awards. These honors aim to nurture the seeds of discipline, etiquette, and social responsibility in our little stars. Dear parents, your involvement has been a pillar of strength. Your trust and cooperation have enabled us to push boundaries, set higher goals, and create a learning environment where children thrive, not just in academics but in life. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the management for their visionary guidance and unwavering commitment to excellence. A special thanks to the dedicated teachers whose tireless efforts and nurturing spirit bring out the best in every child. To our young achievers, congratulations. You have made your parents, teachers, and your school feel proud. But let me remind you, this is just the beginning. Let these awards inspire you to dream bigger, work harder, and lead with humility. Let us continue to strive towards the vision of making Aditya Birla Public School a beacon of excellence, innovations, and values. Thank you, and once again, my heartfelt congratulations to all the awards. Thank you.
Dum da 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 jum, nam da 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 jum da. dear functionaries, dear all proud parents, dedicated principal and teachers, and my dear students, a very warm good evening to all of you. It's my honor and privilege to present over here on this glorious occasion, the annual award ceremony of Aditya Birla Public School Nagpur. A day that celebrates the achievements, excellence, and the retiring spirit of our young learners. Dear students, success is not just an achievement, but a reflection of your determination, your discipline, and your dreams. Today, as you have walked up this stage to receive awards, remember that you are not just being recognized for marks or medals, but for your commitment to learning, your positive attitudes, and for your resilience. You are the pride of school, parents, and community. Whether you have won an award or not, know that every step forward you take, every effort you make is shaping your future. Be courageous, be kind, and most importantly, be consistent. The world out there is full of opportunities and challenges, and I have no doubt that the student of Aditya Birla Public School will shine bright wherever they go. Please have a big round of applause for all the winners. Now, few words for the parents. Behind every confident and every successful child stand a supportive and inspiring family. Today's celebration is also a celebration of your trust, your passions, your nurturing. In the fast-paced world we live, your constant support to your children and to the school system is truly commendable. Thank for your working hand in hand with us in building the future generation. Please have a big round of applause for the parents. Now, the principal and the teachers. I take this opportunity to extend my deepest appreciation for the visionary leadership, tireless effort, and educational excellence that you bring into this institution. Your role is not just limited to teaching from books. You are the torchbearer to shape minds, to shape, build character, and inspire confidence. In today's competitive world, education is not limited to the academics. I am proud to see how ABPS Nathdwara has embraced a holistic approach, focusing on academic excellence, curricular encouragement, values, and life skills. The school has made remarkable progress under your guidance, and I assure you my continued support in every steps toward future growth and development. Please have a big round of applause for principal and all the teachers. Let us all, educators, parents, and administrators, continue working together to create an environment where every child is encouraged to explore, empowered to grow, and inspired to lead. To all the award winners, this is just a beginning. Keep moving forward with humility, courage, and purpose. May your journey ahead be as bright as your spirit soar. जिंदगी की दौड़ में वही विजेता बनता है जो गिरकर भी फिर से उठता है, और कहा जाता है कि पंख नहीं हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, मंजिलें उन्हें को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जाना होता है। और मैं सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये कहना चाहूँगा कि ये समय है आपके लिए सपने देखने का, और उस सपनों को साकार करने के लिए अपना फुल एफर्ट लगाने का। मैं यहाँ पे जो नई जनरेशन है, फ्यूचर जनरेशन है, उसमें मैं डॉक्टर्स को देख रहा हूँ, इंजीनियर्स को देख रहा हूँ, साइंटिस्ट को देख रहा हूँ, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स को देख रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन को देख रहा हूँ। तो आप लोगों के पास में ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है कि आप आपके सपनों को साकार करने के लिए अपना फुल एफर्ट लगाइए और अपनी लाइफ में हाईएस्ट लेवल तक पहुँचिए, एक्सीलेंस लेवल तक पहुँचिए। प्लीज हैव ए बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज अगेन फॉर ऑल। Thank you once again and congratulations to each other. Thank you very much.
It's both an honor and privilege to stand before you today to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion as we all celebrate the remarkable achievements of our beloved students. First and foremost, I extend my deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Shri CPS Chauhan sir, our guest of honor, Sneha Chauhan ma'am, functional head, Shri GC Pant sir, and all the dignitaries present here for gracing us with your presence and for your inspirational words. To our respected principal, Mr. Sanjay Khanna sir, thank you for your unwavering support and your visionary leadership that continually guide us and our school towards excellence. A heartfelt thanks to all our dedicated teachers and staff members. Your relentless commitment to nurturing and education lays the foundation of our school. To the organizing committee, the volunteers, the support staff, your meticulous planning and seamless execution have made this ceremony a memorable one. Your efforts behind the scenes are truly commendable. To my fellow students, your enthusiasm and participation bring lives to all the school events. Your energy and spirit are what make our school a vibrant community as a dynamic community. A special note of thanks to all my lovely parents and guardians present here. Your support and involvement play a crucial role in our collective achievement. As we conclude this ceremony, let us carry forward this inspiration and lessons we have gathered today. Thank you all once again for being a part of this celebration. Thank you.